Oh, alright. Hello. So today I'm going to be doing this packet tracer simulation, and we're going to be looking at TCP and UDP communications. Alright. So let's begin. We're going to be doing some stuff in the transport layer. So we have this right here. I'm going to go ahead and skip step 1 because that just verifies connectivity with all that stuff. For the sake of time, I'm going to skip it. Normally I wouldn't. But anyways, let's go. So here's what we got to do. So step 2 tells me to go into here. We want to go into this web browser and type in that IP address. And we're going to ignore all the errors that it gives me because that's just a problem with packet tracer. For some reason, when you do in simulation mode, it doesn't like it, but it still works. Oh, what the heck? Alright, and now step 3, generate FTP stuff. Let me go ahead and do that. Alright, step 4, DNS client. And this is just kind of setting up all this stuff for the simulation that we're going to be looking at in a minute. So let's see. Last but not least, email. What the heck? Let's see. Okay. User at multiserver.pt.ptu. Send. Okay. And now that we have all this ready, let's go ahead and we hit begin. We're going to watch as these packets move along, and it just kind of does it automatically. It tells me to do it 6 times, but we'll just let it go on its own. And so you might see, well, right now they're all kind of the same color. Let's see if we can get to show all. So now we have a few, one or two that are different colors. And the reason why they're different colors, these little envelopes over here on the side, the packets, they're different colors to kind of, if you have multiple running across the screen that are different types, because it asks right here, it's to help identify that, you know, there are different types and which types they are. Right now it's just all ARPs. And I'm wondering why that is, because usually there's more. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and let this continue on its own. And let's see. Okay, pause it. And now it tells me to edit the filter, so I want HTTP and TCP. Oopsies. And we'll do that. And let's see here. So, alright. Click the inbound PDU details. Alright. Until you find one that originates from the HTTP client. Go away. So we want this one here because it originated from, well, that just disappeared. This one here because it originates from the HTTP client. And, oh my goodness. This is all cattywampus now. I'm sorry for the discoordination. So it wants me to look at the inbound details. Well, this one doesn't have inbound details. Alright, let me wait for another one. There we go. Alright, and there, let's see, how are the port and sequence numbers different than before? Wait a minute. Oh no, I'm skipping ahead of stuff. Okay. Are these communications considered to be reliable? The last section is TCP. Well, TCP is usually considered to be reliable, so all this information probably determine that, yeah, it's going to be reliable. And source 80, port destination port 1025. Since it's HTTP, you're generating web traffic. Usually, it's going to be the source port's going to be 80, so that's correct. And so yeah. Now examine FTTP traffic. All right, edit filters. I apologize if everything seems a bit discoordinated. I'm not the best at this. That's why you take classes, because you're still learning. And you know. All right. So we want FTTP, and it wants me to go away. It wants me to, no, I said go away, please. I'm trying to read. It wants me to click something that originates from the FTP client. So we'll look for, nope, not that one. This one, because it wants inbound details. All right. So it's the last section labeled. TCP once again. Source port is 21. What is written in the field to the left of the window field? And that is flags, reserved, and offset. And that's all. That's all important stuff. Personally, honestly, I'm not going to lie. I don't know what 0B0000 means, but I'm assuming it's important stuff. So let's see. Check the PDU envelope and select inbound details. And how are the port and sequence numbers different from before? Usually, when it asks that, how are the sequence numbers different from before? Usually, it's the numbers kind of switch, or they're one greater than before. So that's basically what that question's asking. So we can go ahead and move on from there. Now it wants DNS. So let's see, where's DNS? So let's see, DNS. There it is. All right. And it wants me to select something. All right, so it wants more inbound details. And it wants me to check, let's see, port sequence numbers different from before. Let's see. Why is there no sequence or acknowledgement numbers? And it's absolutely correct. There are no sequence or acknowledgement numbers. Yeah, it's right. There are no sequence and acknowledgement numbers. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie. I do not remember why there's no sequence or acknowledgement numbers, and I think it has something to do with the fact that it's not TCP. That might be the reason. I might be wrong. What happened? Oh no, what happened? Oh no, I broke it. Nowhere to go. Okay. Okay, well, we'll bring it back. We can fix this problem. You counter a problem, you fix it. See, look at that. Now we're just open it again. I apologize. I don't know what happened there. It just did that on its own. Okay. Okay, all right. Speed it up here. Speed it up here. Email. We can fix this problem. It wants me to go into simulation mode. Email to user at multiserver.pt.ptu. Send. All right, and let's get it going. And it wants me to examine the email traffics. So, no, that's not it. Let's see. One that originates from the email client. Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Speed it up. There we go. All right. And it wants me to, let's see, click the inbound details. Okay, sequence number, acknowledgement number, both 0, and then outbound details from, okay, so they're both 0 again. The destination ports and the source ports have switched, and that's because, well, it's reading, like the inbound details, that's for like when it's going into the switch, and outbound details, usually, okay, yes, all right, no. Everything's so discombobulated now since it shut down. Okay, anyways. So why is email protocol associated with port 25, and what protocol is associated with TC port 110? Well, email protocols is port 25 because that's usually the mail or, email clients and stuff like that. Or like email services, they usually use port 25. And I forget what is associated with TC port 110. Apologize again. Once again, I'm still learning. Anyways, so that's pretty much the end. Thank you. I tried my best, and I hope you guys learned something along with me, as I did. I learned. I'm very discombobulated when it comes to this stuff. Anyways, thank you all.